How many even numbers less than 500 can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? So, well, we could have one-digit numbers. And there's 5 possibilities because there's 5 numbers here. And we could have two-digit numbers. And no, in fact, we can't have 5 because I just spotted the even bit. Got to read these questions carefully. We can only have the 2 and the 4, which is 2. Now the two-digit numbers, so they must end in a 2 or a 4, so there's 2 ways of doing that. Once we've chosen those, any of the others is okay, so that's 4 and 2, so there's going to be 8 of those. And then the 3-digit numbers we need to look at a bit more carefully. So what I'm going to do is fix the 2 in this spot. Now I cannot start with a 5 because that would be more than 500, so the 2's fixed. So there's 3 ways of doing that, but once I've done that, there's then 3 things that could go in here. So that would give me 9, and let's fix the 4 in there, and so just the one way there. And again, anything other than the 5 is okay here, and then there's 3 choices, so that would be 9. So that is altogether 28 ways. A committee of 8 people is to be chosen from 7 men and 5 women. Find the number of different committees that could be selected if the committee contains at least 3 men and at least 3 women. So we could have 3 women and 5 men, 4 women and 4 men, or 5 women and 3 men. Those are our choices. So 7 men and 5 women, so that would be 5C3 for the choice of 3 women, and then 7C5 for the 5 men, or 5C4 times 7C4, or we could have 5C5, which is just 1, and 7 choose 3. So we just need to calculate all of those. So 5C3 multiplied by 7C5 gives me 210. And then what have we got? 5C4 and 7C4 gives me 175. And remember, 5C5 is 1, so we're just after 7C3 here. That's 35. And we just need to add those up. So 35, add 175, add 210, gives me 420. And now we have the oldest man or the oldest woman, but not both, must be included in the committee. So let's put the oldest man in. So he's definitely in. Now, because we can't have her, that means we've only got 10 people from which to choose the rest of the committee. So we've got to choose 7 because, of course, he's already on the committee. And then if we look at the oldest woman, she's definitely on, so he isn't. That leaves us 10 people from which to choose the 7. So what we need is 10C7, which is 120, giving us 240.